Hi, this is Rich with the C21 Soul Team.
And Lanawin.
And welcome to our latest listing in South San Jose.
This home is 7109 Avenida, Rotella.
Now this is a 5-bedroom home. It's about 1947 square feet, but you've also got a huge bonus area that includes a second kitchen.
You have a lot of upgrades in this home. You're right by Santa Teresa Hills and a great park nearby with tennis courts.
Come and take a look inside.
We're here in the living room, and what I love about this space, it is very upgraded with laminate floors, baseboard, as well as recessed lighting.
Now in addition, the popcorn ceiling has been removed and the walls have been textured, so it's ready to move in. Now I'm in the kitchen, and the nice thing about this is that you've got this beautiful granite countertop island. You've also got stainless steel appliances, a beautiful gas stove, and you've also got soft closing hinges on the cabinets.
Can you smell what's cooking? This is one of my favorite spots in the house. It's an extension of the home. It has a great big room for family gatherings, as well as a large kitchen sink. And you have countertops with cabinet space.
Now we're here in the side yard, and one of my favorite things about it is not only is it huge, but it's also got a raised garden bed here. Now in addition, it's also got this nice mature lemon tree.
You have a shed also in the back where you can store your items, as well as a nice area here for entertaining.
So now we're here in the living space, and I want to show you that's very versatile. For example, you have a bedroom on that side. You've got a beautiful bathroom here. You can see that the bathroom has a lot of upgrades inside, such as a single-piece marble countertop. You've got a tile floor, nice tile bathtub shower, and then let me take you into the master. Now what's amazing about this master is that it's one of the largest ones. You can actually have a king-size bed in here. You've got a closet space, and you even got a little nook right here. So if you wanted to do an extension onto the yard, you can. If not, there's plenty of natural light coming through the windows.
I'm here upstairs. There's 2 bedrooms. You have 2 closet space here for his and her. You have a storage area, a nook here just for the desk or even a wardrobe. Large enough to fit a king bed in here. And then as you're walking, you have lots and lots of storage here. There's another closet here, as well as this bathroom. A lot of space in here. You have the tile floors. And then I want you to check out this bedroom. Very large. You can fit another king-size bed in here. A big area here for the second wardrobe if you want. More closet space. And then, of course, lighting.
You've also got this huge area here. So if you wanted to potentially add a washer and dryer into the space, you can. But as of right now, you can use it as a secondary closet. So here's the side yard. You can see here, you got a nicely finished yard. You got a beautiful stucco exterior for the house. Double pane windows, plenty of space, and you've got pavers here. Plenty of space in the front here. You got a beautiful courtyard here. So if you're planning on graduation or birthday parties, this is great for entertaining, and it connects all the way to the backyard.
Thank you for taking the tour with us. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to message us.